Steve Hunter here with Basement Repair Warehouse. Today I'm going to show you how the basement Flume interior basement drainage system installs. I've tried many different products over the years, from 4-inch drain tile with sock or filter fabric, sewer pipe or PVC pipe, dimple boards, and even certain teed formadrain. These products were never intended for retrofit interior basement drainage. First, you have to make a wider trench. Then you have to remove those spoils, bring in more gravel and consequently more cement. And their success is moderate at best. My repair company has removed all these methods. I know there's a lot of chatter about water coming up from below the footing and drainage systems that set on top of the footing. It still allows water to flood the basement. Well, my answer to that is hogwash. If you install your drainage properly with washed pea gravel, the water will migrate to the drains. Also, pre-slope systems are a sales tool because, as any good contractor knows about water management, water drainage systems from gutters to storm drains are all gravity flow systems. Now you can buy basement repair products direct from our warehouse and compete on a level playing field. We can supply you with sump bases, 7-year warranty on sump pumps, antimicrobial moisture barriers, wall anchors, knowledge, and more. Plus, we'll show you how you can cash flow 3 times a week, save 66% on labor, and put more money back in your pocket than the current system you're using.